Hi guys, my name is Ken Kinsley, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own logo inside your video footage. You make a video for your YouTube, for your social media platform, and you want to have a logo of your brand or a logo of whatever thing that you're doing. How to add logo to every video footage that you make or you produce for your social media platforms. Now let's get this video back and come to this point. Split, delete. Now we want to add a logo like this logo to your video. Before you put a logo in your video, you must have the logo saved in PNG file. There's JPEG picture file, there's PNG, there's GIF, there's different kind of picture file format. But why PNG is good is PNG files has no background, and you wouldn't want to bring in a logo that has a background. But now I'm going to download a logo, but you can design yours and save it on your system so that anytime you want to do your video, you can have your logo already on your system. There are so many applications you can use to create your logo, like Photoshop, even Paint can even design your logo. Now, but we're going to download a logo PNG. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's try this. PNG files. So we're going to look for the one that has a transparent background. Let's go for this. Save as PNG files. Let's import. This is a PNG file. Now, once you drag this thing to any location, you can see it's a PNG file. You can use this or anything you want to use as your logo. You can still go to Photoshop. Let's go to Photoshop. Let me do a very quick one. What I'm trying to do now is to remove this white inside this logo. You can use Photoshop, say open, select, touch, delete, touch, delete, share, delete, 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 delete. You can do a write-up. You can like put King Studio 360. Select all. Make it bigger. Bold. You can still change the color if you want. This can still be the only white in this logo. So let's make it white. Okay. Save as. The same place. Logo. Come here, file type, PNG file, so that it will be transparent. Save. None. Now let's go and import this logo that we just edited now. Import. That is the logo. you will notice something. There's white in this one, and there's no King Studio in this one. But let me import this. Now let's system requirements. All you need is just, you can see this one, you can see. Let me shift it. Reduce the size. The white has gone. You can see King Studio. So this is how you can create your own logo. Resize it to your size. Place it wherever you want it to be. If I shift this one here, you notice there's white in it, and this one has no white. So we're not going to be using this one. We're going to be using this one because this one is transparent. While your video is playing, they can see every part of your video through the logo. That is how a logo should be. So you can design your own logo with Photoshop or Paint. If you want this logo to appear in all the sections of the video, you have to, after creating all the video, you have to put this logo and drag it down to the end of this video so that every single part of this video will have this logo. You have to drag to the end of this video. So this is how you can add your own logo in your video footage. If this video was helpful in any way, please give me a thumbs up and also hit the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative.